The ID.5 is the first electric SUV coupe from Volkswagen. It is the all-electric top model with premium features based on the modular electric drive matrix. The new ID.5 and the sporty ID.5 GTX with dual-motor all-wheel drive inspire with expressive design, long-distance capability and the latest software generation. Volkswagen is transforming into the direction of electrification and digitalization with the Accelerate strategy. The ID.5 gives Volkswagen further impetus on its way to becoming a software-oriented mobility provider. With the third model to be launched in Europe, the all-electric ID family moves into the popular, premium-oriented SUV coupe segment. Volkswagen's GTX brand stands for the sporty top-of-the-line models of the ID family. The ID.5 GTX models with dual-motor all-wheel drive, presented just last year, will now be equipped with even more comprehensive standard equipment to emphasize this claim. In addition, they provide a glimpse of the look of other GTX models with new design accents in black and red. In future, every ID series will have its own GTX model. The ID.5 GTX starts from €56,455 and is already available for order. The sporty GTX brand with its all-electric performance models has been part of Volkswagen's portfolio for over a year. The dynamic vehicles combine electromobility, sustainability and intelligent sportiness. Their dynamic design also emphasizes the special character and recognition value of high-quality GTX models. The GTX models use two electric motors, one on the front axle and one on the rear axle. They have system power of 299 horsepower, offer a total torque of 460 Nm and work together as an electric drive. A permanently excited synchronous motor with 204 horsepower of power and a torque of 310 Nm is active on the rear axle. An additional asynchronous motor with 109 horsepower and 162 Nm is installed on the front axle. This is particularly compact and light, can be overloaded on a temporary basis and only produces minimal drag losses when it runs without being supplied with current. The vehicle's top speed is electronically limited to 180 km per hour. The maximum trailer weight of both GTX models is 1,400 kg, which is 200 kg more than the model versions with rear-wheel drive. The ID.5 GTX offers a range of up to 512 km. The maximum charging capacity of both models is 135 kilowatts. The 77 kWh high-voltage battery can be charged from 5% to 80% in up to 36 minutes and then offers a range of 337 km for the ID.4 GTX and 376 km for the ID.5 GTX, both WLTP values. The Intelligent Electric Vehicle Route Planner provides support for long journeys as the navigation system creates clever multi-stop route planning to get the car to its destination as quickly as possible. This is continuously adjusted while the vehicle is in motion. For example, there is no need for a short charging stop if the driver drives very efficiently. With the next generation of the ID software, the plug and charge function will also be available for the new GTX models, making charging on the go even more convenient. The vehicle automatically authenticates itself as soon as the customer plugs the charging cable into a compatible DC rapid charging point and launches secure encrypted communication between the vehicle and the post. This authentication process takes just a few seconds before charging starts. Plug and charge is already supported in many large charging infrastructures such as Ionity, Aral, BP, Enel, Eon, as well as Iberdrola and Avini. Further large providers will follow. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.